Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Coach Kimmy and I am a salon owner, hairstylist, strategic life coach, and an author. You can find my books and courses in the description below, or you could get it on my website, coach-kimmy.com, and that's with a Y. So I'm excited for you to be on this channel. Let's get started. We are going to do a really great cut on her. How? She hasn't had a haircut in years. She's been cutting it herself. No. Although I teach you how to cut your own hair. So at least if she watched my video, she could cut her own hair. Exactly. So now we're going to give her, look at these beautiful eyes. We're going to give like a little curtain bang. And then I want to give you beautiful angles. It's going to be beautiful.
No. I'm excited. Do you just rinse it? Or do you
So we're going to take the top of here. It's going to be a triangle. And the top over here. And make sure they're even. So this is the thing, you want to think about where her eyebrow is. Like
So
right
the owner of Shop
here.
Right,
You want the
franchise.
part of her eyebrow that has an arch. Right there.
So he put. Right? The neighbors next door were
I'm doing
selling.
that baby down. You see that angle going
The
straight
wife
down to
didn't
the
like the
floor.
noise of the construction.
Awesome.
Nice.
See that
He's done
beautiful little
He has
arch
a bunch
right
of
there?
baby ones.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, you gotta go close up.
And he only has
One of his kids' name is like 98.
No. It's
And then watch, hold on. Stay right there.
What's the
Hold it.
South Plane? A B12, B19.
No, this is
Something
how
like
it
that.
is.
It's
His name?
Yeah.
You know AE.
What the fuck? Instantly go back.
Wait. AE. The
When you have
symbol.
9 kids, I guess
The
you
math
have
symbol.
number 9.
Wrap around
It
her
stands
face.
for ash. Is what it says. So it's AE.
All right,
the
now
math
we're gonna take
symbol,
the rest.
B19.
You can stop it, and then you touch.
There is a
Get her going here.
There's a video. that
Okay,
I
here we go. You ready? We're going down. We're taking that, and going down. Okay, now we're taking the next section, bringing it all forward, and then we're gonna go down. See that nice angle though? And it's gonna be this beautiful angle. See right here, I need to connect that right there. And it's gonna go straight down.
Maybe. He's watching you.
Are you watching me do hair, Missy? Look how pretty. See that beautiful, beautiful angle. It's gonna be such a fun haircut. Okay, Look at that side.
The last time I got my hair done,
And then look
I was
at this
in the bathroom
side.
cutting it myself.
Look at the difference.
That's actually true.
See? This is just a drag. It just drags down. It's
Good job, Emma.
You missed
It's
that phone.
so nice of you. And this can go forward or it can flip back. It's gonna be like a beautiful butterfly haircut.
Oh, thank you.
Okay. You're going from the top and you're gonna go down. Now listen, this is gonna come straight down. I'm gonna have my scissor in front of me because this is the other side. My scissor straight down to the floor. Straight down. I just keep sly layering it. Sly angling is what I'm doing.
I never made the time. They try them out at a
Okay,
McDonald's.
so look at
It
now.
was like the first
Check
ever
it.
completely
See how nice it looks on both
That's
sides?
awful for America.
Beautiful.
You go in, you order on a
Okay,
screen.
and then
Flippy makes a burger.
What we
perfect
do
every time
is we-
use up your order. 'Cause
now listen, this is important.
I love
We're gonna
Flippy.
take this
Put
up
like a
and we're
lot
gonna have it
more
on
in
an
it.
angle like this. So I'm still gonna do
But
long
like,
layers, but I
that's-
want the angle. I want it to come down
they
like
laid
this.
off- they laid
So we're
off
always using
like
our
100
imagination. I want to
100,000
always teach you,
employees.
use your imagination
weren't
and
just laid
think.
off.
If
They
we
were
pick the hair up
replaced.
like this, it's gonna come down
That's like the other,
and
like,
land
scary
like
thing about
this,
it.
and then
They
it's
weren't
gonna
just,
swing
like,
back.
laid off 'cause all the
Use
economy's
your
doing bad.
imagination
No,
and
they were
see it.
replaced with robots.
So you don't get confused thinking, why are you doing what you're doing?
It is
But like,
definitely.
Okay, go on the
maybe
side.
we'll find like ways
Okay, look at that
to
beautiful angle.
make
See
other
that?
money somehow. But like,
I'm just gonna
people need jobs
slowly
to
go
make
up,
money.
Okay, now I'm
A
gonna
lot
take the next
easier 'cause
section because I
trucks
want
will
all her
drive
layers
you
to
to
be
and from places.
go
Think
long,
about your
short to
job. Can a
long.
robot ever
Now I'm
deliver
going
to
straight up.
the outlets?
Okay, now I'm going to the back.
I think it would be very simple.
Mohawk.
How would the packages get?
Would
Okay, I barely had to
Pay
take
more
anything off
money.
that last one.
for
So
a
the whole
driver
angle
not
is
to
like
deliver
this.
to the door.
Coming
And the-
down. They're
and
going
the
here,
person who's buying
come down.
it
So when I put
put
this
it in
next
their
one
job
up,
description that they have
They have
to
to
unload
go,
the
yeah.
truck.
see it?
Yeah, because somebody.
That's how they
That's
get
what I'm
away
saying.
with that.
'Cause somebody.
They give you a
Matt,
better
'cause
deal
So
than
it's
one
like-
truck.
You get to East
And then it
Brunswick
comes
Mall, but
down
once
like
you
this
get to East
to her
Brunswick
front.
Mall,
Now I'm gonna
But
take the
You
you
Mohawk.
know, I watched it
saying,
make burgers on the
that like
internet.
home delivery.
Like you're watching it right now.
Which we don't do home
I'm gonna take
delivery.
the next
Never really
section.
tried any bigger industry
Well, you
types,
can't.
but
I know.
it's like the same concept.
I love flipping.
And he thinks that home delivery.
Now I'm gonna take this
Flippy's
whole
really
side
really
straight
really
up.
is gonna see this two robots. So it's like
I'm
Straight
not
up.
even gonna have to talk to some
and he
idiot.
almost thinks that's a simple task. Like we're going.
Beautiful.
You
See
can't
how it
just
all
set your
meets
calendar.
up?
Once everything on the
Now
street's
I'm gonna take this
automated,
all
you're
You
not
gotta make
up.
sure that shit's fucking
I'm
parked
always
because
taking
he's
it
gonna
where
get
it
fucking
lives
sued
straight
out
to
the
this
ass for
middle.
every fucking thing.
Look
to
at
the
Isabella.
sun.
You gotta look at her
You know what I
watching.
mean? Like, you gotta make sure
No, you
it's
gotta
perfect.
videotape it. Videotape her watching. What? You watching me cut hair?
You watching?
She was watching.
She was. She's watching now.
Are you watching, Missy? Okay. Now I'm taking this side straight up. And I have to make sure I
She's
take
so,
that
she's
angle.
so observant with everything.
Take this whole side.
Yeah,
Tommy and Jen got engaged.
when I saw that.
I'm gonna take her back. Straight up. And I'm still bringing it to the Mohawk. You grab it all till it's nice and smooth. And then you go to the top.
That'd be a long mohawk. Emma.
Okay, now I'm gonna bring it straight up and back. Okay, just that. Beautiful. See that?
And
that's how you check it. Bring it straight up and check it. And it looks great.
Beautiful. I love it.
It looks so
know. I
good.
don't think my hair has been this healthy in like 10 years.
Yay!
Yay! Thank you guys.
Yeah.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, and share this video.